Hey there, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. This 3D print, I wanted to do something that I don't normally do. So this 3D print is something that you wear. Now let's go print this and see what we got.
I wanted these to look like gems or diamonds as much as possible. This is a PLA Plus transparent, and I definitely wanted to have some other transparent PLA Pluses to put inside of this. But unfortunately, we don't have any on hand, but that's okay. We probably will do some later on with some different filament to see how it works and to see how it pairs up with some other accessories that we end up creating. Look at this, really smooth. If you haven't guessed yet, this has been entirely 3D printed with the gems and the bracelet. This didn't take any molds. This is not going to be mass produced, but it was designed, printed, assembled, and finished by hand. This is what happens when 3D printing stops being a tool and starts being a medium. And get this is only just the beginning. If you're curious what else can be built this way, you're definitely in the right place. I know that this isn't new, but I always think it's cool, but this wasn't made in a factory. It started just as an idea, and then we designed and 3D printed it. Now that this is finished, it's really starting to look like something I would actually want to wear. But we'll let my partner be the test for that.
I normally don't do designs like this. It just came to me that I wanted to do a design like this. But let's see what somebody that actually knows and likes these kind of things actually thinks about this. Again, this is a 3D printed PLA Plus bracelet accessory. Let's see what she thinks.
I mean, it could fit a little better, but there are people that wear it like right here and everything because they like to accessorize more with bracelets. I like the hexagonal pattern though, but it is really pretty for the 3D printed jewelry, so good job.
So this was a really simple build, but if you like this content, you should make sure to follow for more. And in the comments, I really need y'all to put what you think that we should end up designing and 3D printing next. We really look at the comments and we really want to make sure that this channel is here for you and to make sure that we're designing and creating things that you would want to see. So it really matters that you put that down in the comments. But until next time, later, catch you in the next video.